Up again to Halfass on the road, back here at night. He's got one of these things that I need to buy, like all of it. Anyway, we're gonna go for a tour underneath the Porsche.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Fancy transmission.
That has been in and out more times than God has known.
No playing in those bunch of fuckers. Yeah. Not too shabby. This is water? It's definitely oil. Wasn't leaking? Probably leaking from this. Okay, so we get a little Earl leaking from there. So we get a little drippage from this guy, and then a little drippage from this guy. Both very easily resolvable. You can see how close, you can see your oil pan that you made here, Mike. You want to see the smashing we had to do.
Yeah. Yep.
So, you know, we just needed a little bit more of an angle next time. Because you know there's going to be a next time. Yeah, so all in all, this looks cool. From here to here with that big fucking intercooler. It looks pretty fucking cool. Oh yes, Coco. So yeah, so this Bailey Motorsport wastegate, or recirc valve, is what my issue is. This is making me overboost and the computer doesn't know what to do with it. Second thing we're gonna do today, we're gonna weld that bitch. We're gonna try and damn this to weld as much as we can. As fuck knows, I probably don't want to take it off. Oh, look at that.
Well, you know,
Oh, okay.
if you sleeved that the other way, it would leak less.
Oh yeah, but it's this is Halfass garage. Why would I do a thing like that?
I have no idea.
The pipe's too small.
Nobody's concerned about the direction of exhaust flow here.
Yeah, this is quite the bend.
Yeah, it is.
It's not too high. Yeah, so basically what I actually need done is from this flange forward, a custom exhaust made. This is, I think, the Cat from 1984.
That's gotta go.
There's nothing in it. At this point, it's been gone for a while. Come on, that's structural rigidity, and I even seam sealed it.
Wow.
Did I undercoat it? No.
Doesn't matter. That piece will probably last longer than the rest of the car.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so we welded this fucker?
Yeah, let's fucking weld this bitch.
Alright.
Clamp those beautiful welds. He's gonna go ahead and have a little fun with it and fill in some of my welds.
Oh. Ow.
Jeez, you okay?
There you go.
Oh my god. I think you sealed it for good. For Rizales. Flippity day. Comfy AF. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna sound pretty interesting. I just wish I had an exhaust gasket to go there. Yeah. We had a little bit of technical difficulties there. He's gonna go ahead and just blind the shit out of me. Right there, where the bolt, where the stud comes through, and we bolt on. It was very hard. We couldn't fit any sockets or anything on it. So what we did was bang that fucking dent in it, and then right now he is welding what weld I cracked, and then we're gonna give it a little flappy paddle down or a die grinder down, so we have plenty of room, and we'll be able to put her back up in the car. No problemo. No problemo. Give it some, you get a die grinder, we can give it some die grinder, you want to floppy paddle it? Bah! Alright, look at that, she's up. I wouldn't really use the word fits right in there, or the phrase, or the word fit. But the exhaust is nice and pretty. Thank you very much.
You gotta fix your
My oil line?
One of these. Somewhere.
Oh yeah, no, that's the MPT fitting leaking. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna replace with AN line anyway. So get a little bit of drippage here, gotta tighten a few things up.
You sure about that?
Tighten everything down. This is gonna leak like a sieve because it doesn't have a gasket in it. It's a donut gasket. This is not gonna leak. That is not gonna leak. And looks so good. And we're gonna tighten one more bolt way up there. Tighten that up a bit. Tighten this up a bit. Little odds and ends here or there, a clamp here or there. And yeah, so let's not smash my head off that fucking thing again. And bring her on down. I'm fucking excited for this. We're gonna set you up back here, back yonder. See what she sounds like. Straight pipe all the things. And time? Thank you for joining us. We're gonna let this continue to idle in the background and idle up because she's fucking cold. Remember, I don't know, probably this side, hit that button, subscribe, comment, like. Look at him with no fucking shoes and socks on because he's a thug. And thank you very much for watching.